Okay guys, today I'm gonna do a simple Hmong knife wooden handle. Okay, looks like that. Okay, as you all know, Hmong or most of the knife are made out of wood, so it's pretty plain, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna do a simple paracord handle on this. Okay, and put that right there, or that you put it back in there. Okay, so what you need to do is get yourself a paracord, okay? And what you need to do is you form a loop like this, okay? And make sure the loop on this end has about maybe about inch or half an inch slack on here with the loop here, okay? And then down here, leave yourself about maybe 4 or 5 inches so you can pull and tuck the other paracord inside, okay, after you finish wrapping. Okay, so what you need to do is do that. Put your finger on both of the paracord and do not let it overlap here, okay? And take your long strand, okay, and just start wrapping around and around, okay? Okay, once you go like a couple rounds, make sure you pull these back, okay? Pull it back over here to cover here, to cover the edge. Okay, so make sure your handle is all covered up. You slowly moving everything towards the end, okay, like this. Okay. Just keep wrapping, okay? Keep wrapping, okay? And if you need to pull more towards here, toward the end, go ahead and just kind of loosen up a little bit, okay? And just loosen up a little bit so you can pull it towards the end, okay? Because you're gonna try to make sure you cover as much as you can over here. Okay, once you adjust all that and make sure it's covered all the way pretty much to the end, then you just keep on wrapping and pull tight, okay? Pull tight like this. See that? Okay? And leave that strand out. And keep wrapping. Okay? And your loop is still good over here. So keep on wrapping. Okay? Wrapping. Wrapping. Okay? See that? Okay, so keep on. You can take this out if you feel comfortable, but you know, just be careful. Okay, safety is always, you know, important. You know, your first priority. Okay. Okay. See that? Okay. So make sure you pull it tight together so that way your handle is firm. Okay. 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 So that is coming along pretty good. Okay, take your time, make sure it's tight and firm, okay, and try to push these back here tight, so that way you don't have too much gap in between, okay? And it will look much nicer too if you pull it tight and close together. Okay, almost done. See that? Looks pretty nice, huh? Okay, so just keep going round and round and make sure it's tight, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay. Coming along pretty good. Almost done. And it's not hard. All you need to do is go round and round, but just make sure it's tight, okay? Anybody can do this. Yeah? Pull tight. Okay, so once you get all the way to the end and it's all the way covered up to where the knife is at, or the handle's all covered, you need to make a cut. So cut it about, I'd say about one or maybe 2 inches. Okay. Once you cut it, you see this loop right here. You're gonna thread it right through there. Okay, right through here. Once you thread through, leave it out like that. Okay, and then you take your other end and you pull that loop in. Pull the loop. Okay. Okay, make sure it's all tight and not coming apart, okay? Okay, see? Once you start pulling it in, pull this other end out so that way the line is straight. Then just pull. See, this loop is trying to pull this end in, okay? Once you start pulling it in and tight, you can cut it closer. Okay, see that? Going in, okay? When it goes in, it's pulling this end really tight so it won't come off. Okay, so I'm gonna use this screwdriver here to help me pull this out a little bit. Okay, so it seems that it's really tight now right here. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna cut it as close as I can, okay, to here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it right here, like that, and I'm gonna burn it off with the lighter, okay? So burn the end with the lighter to seal this end, okay? Make sure you burn it really good. Okay. Once it's burned, seal it with your lighter like this, okay? Okay. Really good. Now do the same thing on this end, okay? Cut it as close as you can, like that, okay? And then burn it off or seal it off with your lighter, okay? Burn it, and then seal it with the lighter, okay? Okay. there you go. So here you go. Up close look, okay? So, see it? Really nice. See that? And it makes your handle looks much better. Okay. So now we're gonna put it there. How's that? Look good, huh? The grip is much firmer and stronger, and you know, yeah, it gives you really good grip. Okay, so thank you for you know, coming by and watching. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Please subscribe.